Have you ever wondered if rejection could actually be a hidden blessing in disguise? What if every no you faced wasn't a setback, but a step forward toward something greater? And what if I told you that mastering the art of handling rejection could transform your life in ways you never imagined? Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. These wise words from Marcus Aurelius invite us to rethink how we perceive rejection. Imagine this: the door slams shut in your face, and at first, it feels like a personal defeat. But later, you realize that closed door led you to an even better opportunity, one you couldn't have seen coming. Today, we're diving into the profound power of rejection and how to turn it into a tool for personal growth. Inspired by the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy, we'll explore how rejection, often seen as painful, can actually become a stepping stone to greatness. Rejection isn't about being outsmarted by fate. It's about understanding that sometimes the universe's no is a disguised invitation to something far better. Have you ever felt unnoticed, disregarded, or unappreciated? It's time to rewrite that narrative. In this video, we'll uncover 13 powerful lessons designed to help you harness the strength hidden within rejection. These aren't just abstract ideas or philosophical musings. They're practical, actionable strategies rooted in real-life experiences. But before we jump into these transformative lessons, let's take a moment to ensure this wisdom reaches as many people as possible. If you find value in what we're sharing, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Your engagement helps spread these insights to others who might need them. Now, let's begin this journey together. A journey where rejection becomes not an obstacle, but a catalyst for triumph. Number 1, disregard them. When life greets you with indifference, it's easy to feel small, to shrink in response. But what if, instead of retreating, you chose to rise above it? Ignoring those who ignore you isn't an act of pettiness. It's a declaration of self-worth. Think about it. If someone decides you're not worth their time, that's their loss, not yours. By refusing to engage, you're essentially saying, "I deserve better." It's like holding up a mirror to their behavior while maintaining your own dignity. But how do you do this without letting bitterness creep in? The answer lies in redirecting your focus. Pour your energy into your goals, your happiness, and the people who genuinely value you. Whether it's diving into a good book, learning a new skill, or spending time with supportive friends, every step you take towards self-improvement strengthens your inner fortress. This isn't just about surviving rejection, it's about thriving despite it. By choosing to focus on your own growth, you're chasing emotional maturity and building inner strength. Let your actions speak louder than the silence of those who overlook you. Number 2, don't react emotionally. Rejection stings. It's natural to feel hurt, even tempted to react impulsively. But here's where Stoicism offers a different perspective. Instead of letting frustration or sadness take over, embrace composure. When rejection comes your way, resist the urge to seek validation or express resentment. Take a step back, breathe, often, It's not the rejection itself that wounds us, it's the insecurities it brings to the surface. Focus on your actions, not others' behaviors. Maintain politeness and kindness, even when you feel like lashing out. If you choose to respond, let it come from a place of authenticity, free from expectations. This isn't about suppressing your emotions, it's about mastering them. By staying calm, you're not just coping with rejection, you're thriving through it. You're building self-confidence that doesn't rely on external validation. And that kind of strength, it's magnetic. Number 3, remove them from your mind. When rejection strikes, detachment becomes your greatest ally. Acknowledge the sting, but don't let it consume your thoughts. Instead of seeing rejection as a roadblock, view it as a detour, a sign pointing you toward new opportunities. Channel the energy of rejection into something transformative. Engage in activities that uplift your spirit and broaden your horizons. Surround yourself with positivity, people who inspire you, experiences that enrich you. Each new endeavor becomes a stepping stone towards self-discovery. With every choice to move forward, you build a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. Rejection doesn't define your worth. It's an invitation to rediscover and reinvent who you are. Number 4, demonstrate your value. When rejection tries to weigh you down, use it as fuel to rise higher. Instead of succumbing to self-doubt, redirect your energy toward constructive action. Showcase your skills through meaningful projects. Let your talents shine, undeterred by others' oversight. Remember, rejection isn't a reflection of your value. It's a redirection toward opportunities that align more closely with your passions. Setbacks aren't the end of your story. They're setups for comebacks. With perseverance and determination, you can weave a success story that's entirely your own. Number 5, cut off contact. Sometimes, silence is the most powerful response. When faced with rejection, resist the urge to reach out or reconcile. Instead, embrace the power of no contact. This period of silence isn't passive, it's a deliberate act of self-respect. By maintaining emotional distance, you reaffirm your worth and prioritize your mental peace. Your silence signals resilience. It shows that your well-being doesn't depend on external validation, and while it may not change others' behavior, it transforms you. It strengthens your resolve and prepares you for whatever lies ahead. Number 6, prove them wrong. Rejection can be a powerful motivator. Instead of letting it hold you back, use it as a challenge to grow. Commit to surpassing your own limits, not to prove others wrong, but to prove to yourself what you're capable of. Devote yourself to honing your skills and pursuing your passions. Let your achievements speak for themselves. Your journey of self-improvement isn't about battling others' perceptions. It's about fulfilling your own potential. Number 7, go out and have fun. Rejection doesn't have to dampen your spirits. In fact, embracing joy
can be a radical act of resilience. Instead of retreating into isolation, seek out experiences that bring you happiness. Do things that ignite your passion and foster connection. Whether it's a hobby, an adventure, or quality time with loved ones. These moments remind you that life is full of possibilities. Rejection as painful as it may feel in the moment, is never the end of the story. It's a pivotal chapter in your journey, a chance to grow, to thrive, and to discover your true strength. As we move forward, we'll uncover even more lessons on how to turn rejection into triumph. Get ready to explore how to master your emotions, build resilience, and transform setbacks into opportunities. Let's dive into the next chapter together. As we continue our exploration of rejection, let's carry forward the idea that every no is not an end, but a redirection, a chance to grow, adapt, and thrive. With this mindset, rejection transforms from a fleeting obstacle into a powerful tool for self-discovery and resilience. Let's dive deeper into the next set of lessons that will help you turn rejection into your greatest ally. Number 8. Build your social status. Rejection can feel isolating, but Stoicism teaches us to use it as an opportunity to grow and connect. Instead of chasing validation from others, focus on improving yourself and building meaningful relationships. Picture this: engaging in activities like fitness, volunteering, or learning a new skill. These aren't just hobbies, they're investments in your well-being and your community. By contributing to something greater than yourself, you cultivate a sense of purpose and forge connections based on mutual respect and shared values. This isn't about climbing the social ladder or proving your worth to anyone. It's about walking your own path toward personal excellence. When you align your intentions with self-improvement, you inspire others to follow suit. Together, you create a community built on resilience, growth, and empathy. Number 9. Act as if they don't exist. What's the best response to indifference? Quiet strength. Instead of wasting your energy on those who overlook you, redirect your focus toward people and pursuits that truly matter. Maintain professionalism and civility when necessary, but don't invest emotionally in one-sided relationships. Your time and attention are valuable. Treat them as such. Walking away from futile endeavors isn't weakness, it's self-respect. Imagine your energy as a precious resource. By choosing where to spend it wisely, you prioritize relationships and activities that nurture your growth and fulfillment. Embrace the power of walking away, knowing that your worth isn't tied to anyone's approval but your own. Number 10. Give them the silent treatment. Silence is often misunderstood as passive, but in reality, it can be a profound declaration of strength and dignity. When faced with indifference, resist the urge to retaliate or seek validation. Instead, preserve your inner peace through introspection and emotional mastery. Think of silence
as a moment to reflect and realign. Use this time to reaffirm your values, strengthen your character, and ensure your actions align with your principles. Silence isn't about ignoring others, it's about focusing on yourself. By choosing not to engage in fruitless exchanges, you maintain emotional equilibrium and demonstrate self-awareness. Silence becomes a shield, protecting your mental peace while signaling your resilience. Remember, your worth isn't defined by external validation, but by the strength you find within. Number 11. Don't beg for attention. Have you ever felt the temptation to seek approval, hoping it might validate your worth? Stoicism challenges us to anchor ourselves in our own sense of value, independent of others' perceptions. Instead of chasing fleeting attention, focus on what truly fulfills you. Engage in activities that resonate with your passions and align with your values. This isn't about proving anything to anyone. It's about embracing your unique strengths and aspirations. True confidence doesn't come from external applause. It comes from knowing who you are and what you stand for. By committing to your personal growth and well-being, you redefine success on your own terms, free from the constraints of external validation. Number 12. Be kind but emotionally distant. Kindness is a powerful tool, even in the face of indifference. Treat others with respect and compassion, but don't compromise your emotional boundaries. Maintaining emotional distance doesn't mean detachment or apathy. It's a conscious choice to prioritize your mental and emotional health. By extending kindness without expectation, you show strength of character and self-assurance. Imagine walking a tightrope, balancing empathy and self-preservation. This delicate balance allows you to navigate relationships with integrity while safeguarding your inner peace. Emotional distance isn't a wall. It's a boundary that protects your well-being while still allowing you to connect meaningfully with others. Number 13. Don't reveal your struggle. When facing rejection, it's natural to want to share your struggles, hoping for understanding or sympathy. But Stoicism teaches us a different approach. Composure. Acknowledge your emotions, but don't let them control your behavior or undermine your confidence. By navigating challenges with grace and poise, you embody resilience and inner strength. Think of Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, who practiced mentally preparing for the worst. Each day, he would rehearse potential disruptions, from storms to pirates, ensuring he was never caught off guard. This mindset didn't make him pessimistic, it made him prepared. When you face rejection, approach it with the same mindset. Anticipate challenges, but don't let them shake your foundation. By staying composed, you affirm your ability to adapt and thrive, no matter the circumstances, turning rejection into resilience. Rejection is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to define you. Instead, let it refine you. Each setback is an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more self-assured. As we've seen, Stoicism offers timeless wisdom for navigating rejection with grace. From building meaningful connections to mastering emotional resilience, these lessons empower you to turn life's no's into stepping stones toward fulfillment. So, what will you do the next time rejection comes your way? Will you let it hold you back, or will you use it as a catalyst for growth? The choice is yours. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us reach more people who can benefit from these insights. And remember, every rejection is just a redirection, a chance to discover your true strength. Until next time, stay resilient and keep growing.